Nestled into the western foothills of Las Vegas is the exclusive golf community of Red Rock Country Club. Situated on one of the largest home sites in the area is 3345 Turtlehead Peak Drive. Through a private interior courtyard, welcome to a home of genuine comfort and personality. Experience pure outdoor paradise, awash in the sounds of a gushing waterfall. Even from this idyllic setting, you're mere minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. Hello, I'm Gary Anter, broker of Presenting Vegas. It is my pleasure to present to you one of the most beloved floor plans in all of Red Rock Country Club. The stainless steel gourmet kitchen is steps away from the romantic courtyard-facing dining room. Tucked away along its own wing is the oversized and luxurious master suite with its own secluded backyard access. Just off the foyer is the study, perfect as a den, library, or even a fourth bedroom. Generous ensuite guest quarters open onto the intimate, firelit courtyard. A massive side yard is ideal for outdoor pursuits ranging from putting to gardening. Thank you for taking time with me, Gary Anter, as we've explored a home whose outstanding design is second only to its unrivaled golf frontage. As this dramatic fairway rises uphill and turns right, it exposes the most compelling views of the Red Rock Ridgeline.